Camera inspection. We've excavated a bad house trap in the basement. We are at the main looking into the tap. Going to pull our way back to the house. Terracotta pipe. Some debris protruding in through some bad pipe joints there. Here, the break in the terracotta there. See it radiating down from the top of the pipe joint down to the bottom from like 11 o'clock position on the pipe joint down to about the 6 o'clock position. See it fractured there into the cast iron, and then that's our trench in the front room of the basement. There. It's end of inspection.